Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. A hot and dry summer has taken its toll on many of our lawns recently. If you've been away on holidays or are limited to how much you can water due to water restrictions, your lawn may have become thin and patchy during this time. Usually what you'll see is bare patches throughout your lawn, or your lawn starting to thin out and change colour. What follows this is those bare patches bake in the sun and become rock hard, making it difficult for water and nutrients to get into the soil. This is commonly known as dry patch and appears regularly in lawns throughout the summer. Thankfully, it is treatable and is relatively easy to do so. First things first, it is always recommended you aerate the affected area of your lawn. Aeration can be done with a garden fork, aerator sandals, or a specialised aerator depending on the size of the lawn. This is crucial as it will decompact your soil and will help nutrients and water penetrate your lawn. After this, it is time to stimulate your lawn's growth to allow it to self-repair and cover back over. This is best done by applying an NPK fertiliser to the entire lawn and irrigating the lawn well afterwards. Always remember to apply all products at label rates and follow all instructions. Next, apply a wetting agent like lawn soaker to the affected area. Wetting agents come in liquid and granular forms and assist with water absorbing into your soil. This will also allow the soil to hold water in a usable manner for longer. Always remember to irrigate your lawn well if you can after applying the wetting agent. A ready-to-use wetting agent like lawn soaker is your best option if you are limited with how much you can water depending on what your current water restrictions entail. If your local water restrictions prohibit you from using a hose, you can apply wetting agents with a watering can. Before you lay your lawn, make sure you carry out proper soil improvement practices. Choose a drought-tolerant lawn variety like Tiff Tuff Hybrid Bermuda. If you are watering your lawn, water it correctly. Less frequent, deeper soakings allow for deeper roots. If possible, give your lawn a nice deep soaking at the first sign of excessive heat or drought, and repeat this process every time you see the leaves wilt. This will be more common for sandy soils. Mow your lawn a little bit higher. The longer leaf helps to protect the soil from evaporation and stress. If you want, you can try a product like Colour Guard Plus, which will help keep the lawn a natural green colour whilst reducing your water use. Colour Guard Plus also acts as a sunscreen to protect your lawn from harmful UV rays. Always check and abide by the relevant water restrictions in your area, as they can vary greatly around the country, and conserving water is of the utmost importance. If you can, it may be worth looking at alternative water options, such as the use of grey water, bore water, or installing a rainwater tank. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.